Imagine a time when our ancestors roamed the earth as nomadic hunter-gatherers, relying on the unpredictable bounty of nature. Life was a constant quest for food, and survival hinged on the seasons and the whims of wildlife. But then, something remarkable happened. Around 10,000 years ago, in the Fertile Crescent, a shift began that would change the course of human history forever: the dawn of agriculture. Early humans started to notice patterns in the wild. They observed that certain plants, like wheat and barley, grew in abundance in specific areas. They realized that by gathering seeds from these plants and scattering them in the ground, they could cultivate their own food sources. This was a revolutionary idea. Instead of following herds of animals or foraging for berries, they could settle down and grow their own crops. This transition from foraging to farming wasn't just about food. It transformed social structures. With agriculture, people began to form permanent settlements. No longer did they need to pack up and move with the seasons. They built homes, established communities, and developed a sense of belonging. This stability allowed for the growth of populations and the emergence of complex societies. As farming spread, so did innovation. Early agriculturalists learned to domesticate animals like sheep, goats, and cattle. These animals provided not just meat, but also milk, wool, and labor. Imagine the first farmers tending to their fields while herding their livestock. This was the birth of a new way of life. They developed tools like plows and sickles, making their work more efficient. The wheel was invented, and trade routes began to form, connecting distant communities and fostering cultural exchange. But agriculture wasn't without its challenges. Early farmers faced issues like soil depletion and crop failures due to pests or drought. This led to the development of new techniques, such as crop rotation and irrigation. The ingenuity of these early societies laid the groundwork for modern farming practices. They learned to adapt, innovate, and overcome obstacles, skills that would carry humanity through centuries. As agriculture flourished, so did the arts and sciences. With more food available, people had the time to explore creativity and knowledge. They began to write, create art, and develop complex belief systems. The first cities emerged, with towering structures and bustling marketplaces. This was the birth of civilization as we know it. The impact of agriculture on human societies is profound. It shaped our diets, influenced our social structures, and sparked technological advancements. From those first seeds sown in the soil to the sprawling cities of today, agriculture has been a cornerstone of human development. It's fascinating to think that our ancestors, through their curiosity and determination, set the stage for the world we live in now. Their journey from foragers to farmers was not just a change in how they fed themselves. It was a leap into a future filled with possibilities.